you'll need is a plastic pry tool and a screwdriver. First step is to remove the 2 bolts holding the taillight. There is one screw bolt on top and the other is directly below it. After you remove those 2 bolts, the tail light will come out, but be careful. It's still attached to the car by its wires, so don't yank it. The bulb is located here, the 2-road bulb connector down from the top. Twist it counterclockwise and the bulb will pop out from the housing. Pull the old bulb out and insert your new ALA LED bulb. Now in reverse order, put the bulb back in and twist clockwise to lock it in the housing. Now place the tail light back in and test it out. See the difference between the old bulb versus the new ALA LED. Put the 2 bolts back and then you are done installing your LED lights. Thanks for watching.